Recommend pros and cons. 4. KUAVI Espresso Machine, 20 bar, Cappuccino, Latte, Maker Coffee Machine with Milk Frother Steam Wand, 1.5 liter water tank, stainless steel, silver. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including, and recommend features highlight, to make a decision before buying order. 2-in-1 coffee maker. Not only the production of espresso, but also equipped with the function of frothing milk, a multi-purpose appliance. Coffee powder extraction at the same time milk frothing, you can have it all together. 20 bar professional pump. 20 bar high pressure extraction out of the quality coffee liquid filled with golden crema, making the espresso more aromatic and richer. Stainless steel boiler system makes espresso more fragrant and rich in crema. Powerful milk steamer. Espresso machine with milk frother has steady steam wand turns milk into silky smooth microfoam. Latte machine is convenient for you to create latte, cappuccino, mocha or plain white coffee art at home or office. Removable frothing nozzle makes cleaning easy. Durable stainless steel. 304 stainless steel with stylish design, easy to clean and not easy to rust. 1.5 liters of independent water tank, easy to clean. The perfect addition to your kitchen. Accessories and tips. Home espresso machine comes with portafilter, double shots filter, single shots filter, scoop. 2 cups of 60 ml / 2 ounces, about 14 grams / 2 spoons powder for the best concentration. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.